are you trying to hide? You're like a hurricane. Take care of you. I will. And if I got been down, I will do it now. Take care of me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I have a wig here from Wiggins that I'm going to review and tell you guys about. I think this wig is very beginner friendly. So let's go ahead and get into with wig that I have here. So of course, this is the packaging that you get. I'm gonna show you everything that came with it. You get a wig cap, some eyelashes, a edge brush, a wig in the bag to keep your wig in. So you get everything that you pretty much need to put the wig on and keep the wig after you're done wearing it. So let's actually get into the wig that I got. So my cap size today is a large cap size. I do have a larger head, but medium sizes do fit my head as well pretty good. So we'll see how this wig fits. And this wig is 24 inches. Super cute. But you do get some tape here for like your little tabs here. They're supposed to help you lay your wig down. And then some rubber bands because this wig is pre-styled. So let me just show you guys what I have. Alright, so this is how the wig looks straight out of the packaging. It is a pre-styled unit. As you can see, it has the braids and it's pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and it honestly looks wonderful. The plucking, the bleaching, and the style, everything looks really cute. So I'm really excited to wear this. The inside of the wig looks like this. It does have some combs and it does come with a strap. So I always like the wigs with combs in them. I know not everybody does, but I do. And the band here is not removable, so it is sewn into the wig. So if you like that, and that's pretty much it. Let me show you the full hair. Like I said, it is 24 inches. This looks like a really good vacation wig too. It looks really nice. And it's like a, it's a natural color, but it's pretty dark. So it's not like you would have to dye this jet black. I do like to dye my wigs or just hair jet black. But this wig, you don't have to. You definitely could. It's not jet black for sure, but it's not like that lighter brown when you get like the natural color. It is more on the darker side. So I'm just gonna try it on first without doing anything to it. And the combs are not removable either. So nothing on this wig is removable actually. But okay, let's try it on. Dang it, it looks really good already. The only thing is for me, like the ear tabs, the wig comes all the way like on top of your ears really. So, and the braids come down there too. So I don't want to have to cut the braid. Yeah, it looks like I'm gonna have to cut the braid just a little bit. Not this part, but like, cause you know it's French braided on here. But we'll make it work. We'll make it work some way. I'm gonna add some makeup to the lace and then to my cap as well. And then we're gonna get going. Okay, so the hair feels really good. The lace is also really stretchy, which I liked. Again, with my hairline being a little bit strange, I think I cut off a little more lace than somebody else would need to. But all in all, it's a super easy way to install. We'll see how the final looks come out at the end of the video, of course. But the hair itself feels amazing. I have like the density down below in the description box, but really full. You're clearly seeing it, but the hair is super full and it feels really good. So it is a curly texture, so there is some shedding, not anything like crazy, but I got some right here, maybe about like 5 strands from that pull there. But this is my initial comb through of the hair, so I don't want to make it seem like the hair is just like shedding, but because I never combed the hair out before this, and it is curly hair, so it's definitely not just like shedding all over the place, but it feels really good. And it's like it's not really like curly, it's more so wavy. So I think that's really a nice texture to take on vacation because it's less maintenance, but it still gives a beachy type of vibe. You know, that curly hair, when it gets wet or when you take it on the beach or just windy, oh my gosh, that is such a chore to comb out, shampoo, but versus like a wavy kind of texture. And I love that the hair is has a lot of volume to it as well. So it has a lot of volume without having to be curly, which I love. So it is like a wavy texture, lots of volume, and I can run my hands through it. I am gonna put in some products. I like to use this, let me go grab it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you what I usually put in my curly hair. It is this silky, it's like a gel moisturizer. So it is like gel, so it really holds the curls in place and it makes it kind of look wet, super moisturized. So it's very nice. I always put it on my curly bundles or wigs. So I'm gonna show you how it looks in this hair since it's more on the wavy side. I don't know, hopefully you guys can see that, but it's definitely like a gel moisturizer. It's like a good mix, literally, of gel and moisturizer together. Okay, and so it kind of helps keep the hair detangled like a gel would. You know, if you put gel in curly hair, it defines the curls as well as like kind of keeps the tangling down. So this is definitely helpful, again, if you are going like on vacation and you have curly hair. I do love using this one. And I just get it from the beauty supply store. I've never looked for it in any other store, but I've also never seen it in any other store but the beauty supply. So yeah, but I love it. It gives a really nice shine to the hair as well. And this hair is just really easy, and that's something, it's like convenient. It gives the look, the vacation look, but it also has convenience. So now I'm gonna try and style it, which is the hardest part for me. So I'm a little nervous because the wig is so cute, but it's like I'm the one that's like either making or breaking the wigs because the hair is nice and cute, but I'm not the best at installs. So I hate when I like mess up a cute wig with an ugly install. But this wig is really cute. I would even get this wig installed professionally because it is really cute. So let's see how I did.
somebody call